When most people hear the words real estate, they immediately think about buying land, building houses, or owning expensive properties. That is why many people never even consider entering the industry. They assume real estate is only for people with deep pockets. But that is not true. In this video, I will walk you through 20 real estate business ideas you can start now. We will look at what each business does, how it works, what you need to start, the licenses or approvals you may need, the cost of getting started, and the profit potential of each opportunity. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Now, let us get into the opportunities. Real estate wholesaling. Real estate wholesaling involves finding property owners who want to sell quickly and connecting them with investors who want to buy. You earn a fee for bringing both parties together and helping the deal happen. This business exists because many property owners need quick solutions, while investors are constantly searching for profitable opportunities. To start, you need good market knowledge, negotiation skills, and a network of buyers. In most places, no special license is required if you are simply assigning contracts, but local regulations should always be checked. Startup costs are usually very low, often under $1,000. Profit potential ranges from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands on a single deal. Bird dogging. If wholesaling sounds interesting but feels too advanced, bird dogging may be a better starting point. A bird dog simply finds potential property deals and passes them to investors for a referral fee. You do not negotiate the deal or manage the transaction. Your job is simply to identify opportunities. This is one of the lowest cost ways to enter real estate. It requires little more than local knowledge, networking skills, and time. Startup costs are often less than $500, and profits can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s per referral. Another low capital opportunity is real estate lead generation. In this business, you focus on finding people who want to buy, sell, rent, or invest in property, and then connect them with agents, developers, or property companies. The real value comes from consistently producing qualified leads. You can start using a simple website, social media content, or digital advertising campaigns. No special license is usually required, although data privacy laws must be respected. Startup costs typically range between $500 and $3,000. Depending on your market, you can earn per lead or through commission-sharing arrangements. Property inspection services. Property inspection involves examining buildings before they are bought, sold, or rented. Buyers want to know whether a property has hidden problems before committing their money. An inspector looks for structural issues, electrical faults, plumbing problems, roofing defects, and safety concerns. Starting this business often requires professional training or certification, depending on your location. Startup costs generally range from $1,000 to $3,000 for training and equipment. Profit potential grows with reputation and volume, with inspectors often charging hundreds of dollars per inspection. A much simpler service business is property cleaning. Property owners, landlords, Airbnb hosts, and property managers constantly need cleaning services before new occupants move in. This business is attractive because demand is recurring. A satisfied client can become a long-term customer. You can start with basic cleaning equipment and supplies. Licensing requirements are usually minimal, although business registration may be required. Startup costs often range between $200 and $1,500. Profit potential depends on scale, but recurring contracts can create steady monthly income. Property management business. Property management involves managing rental properties on behalf of owners. Your responsibilities may include collecting rent, handling maintenance issues, screening tenants, coordinating repairs, and ensuring properties remain occupied. Many landlords prefer earning rental income without dealing with day-to-day management. To start, you need strong organizational and communication skills. Some regions require property management licenses. Startup costs are relatively low, usually between $500 and $2,000. Managers commonly earn between 8 and 15% of monthly rental income. Real estate brokerage business. If you enjoy sales and working with people, real estate brokerage may be an excellent fit. Real estate brokers and agents help buyers, sellers, landlords, and tenants complete property transactions. Success depends heavily on trust, communication, and market knowledge. Unlike many other opportunities on this list, brokerage often requires licensing and regulatory approval. Startup costs generally range from $1,000 to $5,000, depending on licensing requirements and marketing expenses. Profit potential can be substantial because commissions are often based on the value of the property being sold or leased. Real estate photography and videography. As property searches increasingly begin online, good visuals have become essential. Real estate photographers and videographers help properties stand out through professional photos, videos, drone footage, and virtual walkthroughs. This business suits creative entrepreneurs who understand storytelling through visuals. To start, you need camera equipment, editing software, and a strong portfolio. Licensing is usually not required beyond standard business registration. Startup costs typically range between $1,000 and $5,000. Earnings can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s per project. Home staging business. Sometimes a property is perfectly fine but does not look appealing to buyers. That is where home staging comes in. A home stager arranges furniture, decor, colors, and layouts to make properties look more attractive and inviting. The goal is to help potential buyers imagine themselves living in the space. This business requires creativity, design sense, and attention to detail. Startup costs typically range from $2,000 to $10,000, depending on inventory. Profits vary widely, but successful projects often generate substantial returns. Moving and relocation services. Whenever people change homes, they need help moving. That simple reality creates an opportunity. A moving and relocation business helps individuals, families, and businesses transport their belongings from one location to another. Starting requires transportation, labor, and logistics planning. Depending on your jurisdiction, vehicle permits and insurance may be necessary. Startup costs generally range from $2,000 to $10,000. Profit potential grows significantly as your fleet and customer base expand. One of the most overlooked opportunities in real estate today is blogging. A real estate blog provides information about property trends, investment opportunities, market analysis, neighborhood guides, and property advice. If you enjoy writing and educating people, this can become a valuable business asset. Startup costs are usually low, often between $100 and $1,000. No license is required beyond normal business registration. Income can come from advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and lead generation. If you prefer speaking rather than writing, consider building a YouTube real estate channel. You can create property tours, market updates, educational content, investment guides, and interviews with industry professionals. People increasingly rely on video when researching property decisions. Startup costs can range from $200 to $2,000, depending on equipment. Revenue may come from advertising, sponsorships, consulting, partnerships, and property referrals. Virtual property tour business. A virtual property tour business creates immersive property experiences that allow people to explore homes remotely. This service has become increasingly valuable as buyers search for properties online before visiting in person. You will need camera equipment, editing software, and basic technical skills. Startup costs generally range from $1,000 to $5,000. As demand for remote viewing continues to grow, this business offers strong long-term potential. Real estate app or platform development. Technology continues to transform real estate. That creates opportunities for entrepreneurs who can build digital solutions. A real estate platform may connect buyers, sellers, renters, investors, or service providers through a website or mobile application. This business requires technical expertise or access to a development team. Startup costs can range from $5,000 to $50,000 or more. While the initial investment is higher, successful platforms can generate scalable income through subscriptions, advertising, and transaction fees. Rental arbitrage. Now let us move into investment-focused opportunities. Rental arbitrage involves leasing a property long-term and then renting it short-term at a higher rate. The difference between what you pay the landlord and what guests pay you becomes your profit. Success depends on location, occupancy rates, guest experience, and pricing strategy. Startup costs typically range from $1,000 to $5,000. Profit potential can reach several $1,000s monthly per unit. Buy and hold rental business. One of the most established wealth-building strategies in real estate is the buy and hold model. You purchase a property and rent it out over many years while benefiting from rental income and long-term appreciation. This strategy requires more capital than many other ideas. Startup costs often range from $30,000 to $150,000 or more. While growth may seem slower, it remains one of the most reliable paths to long-term wealth creation. House flipping business. House flipping involves buying undervalued properties, improving them, and selling them for profit. The key is identifying properties with hidden potential and managing renovation costs effectively. This business requires strong market knowledge and careful budgeting. Startup costs typically range from $20,000 to over $100,000. When executed properly, profits can reach tens of thousands of dollars on a single project. Next, land banking. Land banking is a long-term investment strategy focused on buying undeveloped land in areas expected to grow. As infrastructure expands and population increases, the value of the land may rise significantly. This strategy requires patience and careful research. Startup costs often range from $5,000 to $50,000 or more. Profit potential can be substantial when growth occurs in the surrounding area. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows multiple investors to pool money together and participate in larger projects. Rather than purchasing property independently, investors contribute smaller amounts and share in the returns. Startup requirements are minimal, and entry costs often begin at a few $100s. Profitability depends on the performance of the underlying projects, but annual returns can be attractive for patient investors. Real estate investment trust investing. The final opportunity is investing in real estate investment trusts, commonly known as REITs. REITs allow investors to earn income from real estate without owning or managing physical property. They are often considered one of the easiest entry points for beginners. Startup costs can be as low as $100. Investors earn through dividends and long-term growth. While returns vary, REITs offer accessibility and diversification for those seeking exposure to real estate. The biggest lesson from this video is simple. There is no single way to succeed in real estate. Some people build wealth by owning property. Others build wealth by managing property. Some create businesses around real estate services. Others use technology, content, or marketing to create value. The important thing is not choosing the biggest opportunity. The important thing is choosing the opportunity that fits your skills, resources, goals, and stage of life. Start where you are. Learn continuously. Build trust. Focus on solving real problems. Then grow steadily over time. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who wants to build a business in real estate. For the complete article, practical business resources, and more entrepreneurial insights, visit entrepreneurs.ng, https://entrepreneurs.ng/realestatebusinessideas/. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Thank you for watching, and remember, we are rooting for your success.